Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something super exciting, a long range test of the DJI FLIP. If you've been curious about how far this drone can fly or how stable it is during a long range flight, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the DJI FLIP. This drone is packed with features like the OcuSync 4 transmission system, which promises stable video quality even at long distances. It's also super versatile with both normal mode, 8 meters per second, and sport mode, 12 meters per second for different flying styles. Today, we test it in real-world conditions. Cloudy weather, 12 degrees Celsius, and thankfully no wind at all. So, perfect conditions for a long-range test. Alright, let's get into the results. I did 2 flights, one in normal mode and one in sport mode. Here's what happened. In normal mode, the FLIP flew an impressive 4,385 meters before the low battery return to home kicked in at 63% battery. It landed safely with 17% battery remaining, which is great to see. Then I switched to sport mode to see if we could push it even further. And guess what? The FLIP flew 4,750 meters this time. That's almost 5 kilometers. It landed with the same 17% battery remaining, which shows how consistent the battery performance is. Now let's talk about the signal strength and video transmission. The DJI FLIP uses the OcuSync 4 transmission system and it did not disappoint. At 2,500 meters we saw the first signal bar drop. By 3,800 meters the second bar dropped and the signal icon turned yellow. But even at this distance the video transmission remained stable and crystal clear. The OcuSync 4 system really delivers on its promise of reliable high quality video. One thing that stood out during this test was the battery performance. In both flights, the FLIP landed with 17% battery remaining even after flying nearly 5 kilometers. That's impressive consistency and shows how well the battery management system works. Just a reminder, always keep an eye on your battery levels during long-range flights. The low battery return to home feature is a lifesaver, but it's always better to plan your return trip in advance. Here are a few tips for anyone attempting a long-range flight with the DJI FLIP or any other drone. Always fly in an open area with minimal interference. Check the weather conditions. Luckily, we had no wind today, which made the test much smoother. Keep an eye on your battery life and plan your return trip accordingly. Make sure your firmware and software are up to date for optimal performance. So there you have it, the DJI FLIP long-range test. This drone absolutely crushed it, flying nearly 5 kilometers with stable video transmission and consistent battery performance. If you are looking for a reliable drone for long-distance flights, the DJI FLIP is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future drone tests and reviews. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Until then, happy flying!